Hi friends, welcome back to the channel. It's like sunset time. I thought I'll come out and take some pictures and videos. I'm traveling towards the Vrindavan Garden, the KRS road. I will not get into the Vrindavan Garden. I'll go somewhere near that place. Let's see what best we can get. It's good to note that many tourists are coming. We see lots of tourist vehicles from other districts. Out of state tourism, not much. Maybe it will improve over a period of time. So guys, you have to pay 50 rupees toll and 50 rupees for parking here, the entry area. Just for only the toll, it's 50 rupees. Otherwise, for parking, you have to pay separately. I'm walking on a bridge just opposite the KRS dam. That's the dam. So guys, this is the Vrindavan Garden, KRS Dam. That's the sunset happening, and see, that's the dam here. People are there, lots of vehicles are there, but not jam-packed. I think this is the right time to come. No much people. You can enjoy. So guys, tourists are less comparatively, but people are there. It's good to see people traveling, and most of the shops are not open. Some are open, serving some regular chaats and other food. People are enjoying, but again, we have to be very careful. So Vrindavan Gardens is a good place to visit. So if you are planning to come to Mysore, please come. This place is open. You will enjoy. The place is really beautiful. The sunset is done, so I think I should go. If you wait, you can see the lights also. Lights are really beautiful when they switch on the lights. The illumination, the dam, you can see really good. You have seen the dam, right? That's the dam behind me. If you see the parking, you'll notice that so much of places are vacant. Usually the entire place gets filled up during peak seasons, and sometimes you don't get parking also. I was expecting that they would switch on all the lights, but they have not switched on. It's quite dark, so I don't think they'll be switching on all the lights. Usually, during season time, they switch on all those lights. Today is not like, I don't think it's weekend or any special day, so that could be the reasons the tourists are less. Other than that, I think weekends and other holidays or any vacation time, more people will be coming.